Hello, this is Peter Houghton from Berthon USA, here in Annapolis, Maryland, and we're going to take a look at Cascadia 2, the Lagoon 560. Cascadia 2 is a luxury long-range cruising catamaran. You can see that moving from the aft deck into the main salon is an easy transition with these amazing 360-degree views, a beautiful indoor seating area, also an indoor helm station where you can stand watch, and an amazing galley area. We're going to start by moving down into the starboard hull, and as we go down you'll notice the wine cooler and large fridge freezer. Moving aft into the owner's cabin, which has access to the aft deck. Such a spacious and light cabin with its own shower stall, vanity area, and also its own separate head. Cascadia 2 has never been chartered. It has always been privately owned, which you can see as the condition of the yacht is perfect. Here we are in the forward guest cabin on the starboard side, also with its own separate shower stall and head. Now moving down into the port hull, forward into the port side guest cabin. Midships on the port side is this bunk cabin, also with its own head and shower. Now heading back up into the salon area, you can see the screen for the E-Plex system, throttle and bow thruster controls. The galley is very well equipped with granite countertops, fridge freezer, a 5-burner gas hob, and the dual sink, and Miele dishwasher. And of course this lovely indoor seating area to dine inside. Cascadia 2 has a hydraulic tender lift with an AB tender and Yamaha engine. Also a hydraulic passerelle for stern boarding. The teak decks have recently been refurbished and are in excellent condition. As we move down the port side, you'll notice the wide walkways and high stanchions for safety. There are twin bow seats for enjoying some dolphin watching. There is also a bowsprit for the Code Zero and furlers for the Genoa and staysail. And you'll notice the forward seating area. This hatch under the brow is for the generator and inverter room. There is also a Lumar anchor windlass, and the boat comes with many water toys. Heading back down the starboard side, there's a stainless steel outside barbecue. The port aft cabin, which only has access from the aft deck, is very spacious. It has plenty of light and also its own shower stall and head.